and their 7 children, built back in the 1600s. Our Ferris Windmill and Daggett Farmhouse are also from New England. Daggett Farm is part of our Living History program here at the village. You can stop in and see what chores they've been working on today and what different items are growing in their garden. The different styles of locomotives for different classes, you can stop into the roundhouse and they will be happy to show you the different styles we have here in the village. To enter the Oxbow Island District of Greenfield Village. This is one of the largest wetlands preservation projects here in southeastern Michigan. Keep your eyes open, you never know what type of animals you may see here. We do have deer and hare that frequent the area. Now, sit back and relax and think about what train travel would have been like across America in the late 1800s.